Hello coin engineers, today's video is about a new presale on Bybit Launchpad. The token which we will participate to its presale is Okse, which is a spend-to-earn debit card project with cashback bonuses. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents that we share every day. And also, don't forget to follow our other social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram and Telegram. Don't forget to watch the video till the end. If you're ready, let's start. Before we start, you can reach this website through the link in the descriptions and pinned comments of this video. First of all, let's learn what is Okse and other details about the token's presale. It will be sold at 6 cents per token in both events. We will mention about the events in the coming chapters of this video. So keep watching until the end to not miss out any information. Every information given in this video is crucial and shouldn't be missed. If you want to check the details about the project, you can click those buttons to see their website, white paper, research and reports, and etc. Now, let's take a sneak peek to their website. After clicking on the website button, you will see this simple but useful screen. You can download their application from mobile devices running both Android and iOS, while you can use it from your web browser. This is how their debit card looks like. If you ask me, it looks cool. And you can see they have integrations with both Google Pay, Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. Now I will close this website, but you should dive deeper to their website after the video. And let's look at the token details. It's on BNB chain and there are 1 billion Okse tokens as a maximum supply, but only 0.55% will be circulating initially, which means 5,500,000 of them. And you can see 3,085,000 of them will be sold via subscription, while 1,650,000 of them will be sold via lottery. Now let's talk about how can you join it. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one with a lifetime commission discount through the link in the descriptions, and also you can watch the Bybit Exchange tutorial video through the link in the same place. You can learn everything about Bybit Exchange, from creating your account to trading on it with that video. After creating your account and completing your KYC, you will be able to participate to this presale by both subscription and lottery. To participate via subscription, you need at least 50 BIT tokens, which is Bybit Exchange's token in your wallet. With more BIT, you will increase your allocation in the presale. And for the lottery part, you need at least 100 USDT in your account. If you don't have in your wallet, you can click on these buy BIT and deposit USDT buttons to complete the needs. If you don't know how to do it, I strongly suggest you to watch our Bybit Exchange tutorial again. Now let's come to the technical part. Don't be afraid because I say technical. It's really simple when I teach you how to do it. There will be a snapshot period, which means you have to hold those requested balances which we have talked earlier between this period. Snapshot period starts on the last day of August at 12 am and ends on 4th September at 12 am again. For 4 days, you will have to hold at least 50 BIT or at least 100 USDT in your wallet on average. Be careful here, on average, so you don't have to hold 50 BIT or 100 USDT in your wallet all the time. For example, you can hold 400 USDT in the first or the last day, or you can hold 200 USDT in just 2 random days. Be careful here, unless they are in your dual assets investment wallet, every wallet will count. But in derivatives accounts, only your margin amount will be counted. So do not try to open 10x leverage positions with $10 to participate. Let's come to the subscription period. We talked about the KYC requirement and also check the restricted countries from terms of use, and if your country is on the list, unfortunately you will be able to participate the presale. Sub accounts are not eligible to participate, but if you have a balance in them, they will be counted while the snapshot period. Don't forget that you will be able to participate in only one subscription period. Choose participating via BIT tokens or USDT. And while subscription period, your assets which you used to subscribe with will be frozen. This means you will not be able to move them and use them to trade. After this period, they will be unlocked and you will be free to use them. If you choose USDT, you will be able to get your remaining USDT because the sale will be done with the locked USDT amount, and this period will be on 5th September between 3:30 and 11 a.m. in UTC. Don't forget to calculate your local time to not miss these times. And now let's look at the distribution period. If you have chosen to participate via subscription event, maximum Okse tokens for each person is capped at 6,250, so you will not be able to get more than that. If there will be a remaining Okse allocation, it will be divided between the users who didn't reach the maximum cap. And for the lottery draw, every winner will receive 150 Okse. Remaining allocation will be divided into everyone. Of course, if there will be any. So don't forget that if you participate in presale via Bit tokens, you will be able to get more Okse tokens if things go right. And this period will be on 5th September again between 11 and 12 UTC. And if the liquidity conditions are met, I bet it will be, unless a huge and unexpected event happens, Okse will be listed on Bybit spot trading platform right after its distribution is complete. And this is the end of our video. I hope this was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more. Take care, see you in the next one.